Hey everybody, it's Pete with HydroBlox West. Again, it's HydroBlox West, and that's HydroBlox with an X, hydrobloxwest.com for more information. So this is an example of a very comprehensive drainage system for this home. You can see that they live at the bottom of a very steep hillside, and that hillside goes up a long ways past what you can see. So what we do oftentimes is fight water with multiple lines of defense. In this case, on this, I'll call this a bench. We did a 2-board run, and we do happen to have slope here. We don't need slope. HydroBlox moves water over level surface, but we have a 2-board run here. Okay, that connects to that goes down the hill. That connects to a curtain drain that's 2 boards high on this side of the patio, and then that will go over the hill, and I'll show you that here in a second. That will go over the hill, and that will end up ultimately running past those bushes, over the hill, down to the street, to the storm drain, street storm drains. Then what we're doing here is we're terracing off this hillside. He's going to plant grapes. That'll be pretty. And so we're going to have 4 terraces in between, or behind each one of the retaining walls. We'll have a 2-board high curtain drain of HydroBlox. So this will drain, and everything will go toward the house, where we'll have a HydroBlox run going down to what we call transition box at the yard grade. That will take all the water out to the street. And so all of this water will connect. Let me show you this. We're doing a 2-board curtain drain right off the back patio, and this water will then connect to this run, will connect to this run, which connects over to here to the hillside, which goes out to the street. Now let me show you what we did over here, where the homeowner told me that during rain it just becomes a pond. So we go from a 2-board curtain drain here. As you can see, it's 2 boards stacked on top of each other for a total of 19-inch high, curtain drain. But we now are going to a 3-board high curtain drain because this is where the majority of the water comes in. And this entire area here, where the aspen trees are, and right in here, all becomes a pond when they have heavy rains. So we have a curtain drain consisting of 3 boards on top of each other here, and then we have a run right through the middle, which is going to be 2 boards, a 2-board run that connects this run with that run. Right where you see that stormwater box, we're going to put a stormwater box, bury a stormwater box beside the run, and that will be for storage and retention. We'll put a couple surface drains on top of that stormwater box, so when there's a massive rainstorm, all surface water will just go straight down into that stormwater box. Then the water that's in the stormwater box will find the run of HydroBlox, and then out to the street it goes. Over on this side, we are doing another 3-board curtain drain. You can see, so there's 3 boards, so that's 27 inches high, and this is our last line of defense before the house. So we're having a 3-board high curtain drain running alongside the house, 3-board curtain drain running over there, and so this whole area that was a pond is going to not ever be a pond again. And then we haven't dug it yet. We're going to also dig a trench here and put a 2-board run in there, and this will absolutely never pull up with water, I can guarantee that. So this 3-board run then will connect with this 3-board run, and it's going to make it around this corner, which is going to be a bear. These guys are beasts, but this corner is going to be tough because of that tree. So we're going to make it around this corner, and then the water is going to go down here to what we call a stormwater box, where we will then connect it to solid pipe and take the solid pipe out to the street. And that's what you call one heck of a nice drainage system for this homeowner. That's it. For more information, go to hydrobloxwest.com.